What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another banging chef banging video. Okay, yeah, I want to say to all of my subscribers, share up the video and comment and tell me what you think about the video. Okay. You know, say, wow, chef up a little party night Sunday evening and people, no joke, you know. So me I'll get some fire tick and make them go and blaze out from early. Check out the background. Yeah man. Yeah man, look at that. Yeah. Yeah man, want to drop some fish and rice again, you know my style. Subscribe to his channel and tell a friend to tell a friend, okay? Yeah man, I make the old them a blaze out, you know, cause you don't know. You don't want the fire too high, you know, so what we go on right so now, push it up together, get out some of the ashes and make it blaze and then put on the pot in the peas and season it up. So let's go and tune in, okay? Subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. My lifestyle is here. Welcome back, my people. Okay? My people, as usual, I'm here and pop in the kitchen now. Pop. Yeah. Yeah, man, pop all is a chill side of the bad beast, you know. You know, pop friends, pop, see this. Pop. Nah, I go too far, you know. Pop. You know, say Sunday evening, I'm there in the backyard, I go and want a little fight. You see me? I sip on a one little stout, you know. Yeah, so I line up a fire now. Yeah. And start chef up some meal. So tune in and subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, check out the key man. Yeah man, background beautiful. Partner come. Key in there. Yeah. Yeah man, key in there for me subscriber them, okay? Like up a video. Ready for the pot. Okay. Blaze it. Subscribe to the channel. People, look at that now, people. Yeah man. Ready to put on the pot now. That is it. Here I got some red peas partly cooked. Yes my people, look at them. Yeah. From morning I put them on the fire. Yeah, make them a slow cook. So ready to use them up now. Alright, fire blaze. Alright my people, look at that. Just season it up now. Scallion, thyme, garlic. Let it bubble. Subscribe to the channel. We got a one plant, some garlic, scallion. Get them wash off and clean up and chop up. And then we put in the pot. Yeah man, fire blaze, you know. Yeah man, up on a whole swinging arm that, you know. Yeah, oh no. Swinging arm. No joke. Watch pop over there. So. Pop. Everything fully cut up. Fully clean. Ready to go in the pot now. Yeah. Let's check what going in the pot. Slippers and socks. Yeah. Yes, my people. Look at that. Bubbling. That is it. That go on boil with it a little. Wash the rice. Throw it into the pot. Yeah, man. Look at that. Fire red. Subscribe to the channel, my beautiful people. Get a one plate on the side. It go and cook slowly but surely. Got that. Yeah, I made that one cook. Meantime, the rice are cooked. Alright. Yes, so people, subscribe to each other, okay? Yeah, man, really hard man thing. Got a one plant on the side there, you know? Yes, my people. We check what I go on that pot. Alright, look at that. Alright, so we got plant there. Peas there. Ready for the rice. Yeah, man. Fire still blazing. Make it go and simmer. Yeah, plant over here, so. That is it, my people. Subscribe to the channel. Comment on the channel. Yeah, man, and I know the great know the tree. Yeah? Pop up right there, so pop up. Get the milk in it now. Some coconut milk. Yeah, that is it. Make it go and bubble now, my people. Planting right here, so same way. You give it a little turn. That is it. Look at it. Subscribe to the channel. Rice fully washed, fully clean now. Yeah. Look at that. Fully clean. So deal with it, my people. Make sure your rice fully washed and fully properly clean. Get that in the pot now. Yeah. So catch me throwing the rice in the pot. Subscribe to the channel. Get the rice in the pot now. Subscribe to the channel, okay? Fully, people, fully. Check out the plant. Eat a little turn. Look at that, my people. Subscribe to each other.